The purpose of this question is to describe the counting unit moles that we use to count atoms. On the periodic table, the numbers at the bottom are talking about how many grams 1 mole of that atom is. Now, 1 mole of anything is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. So if you had 1 mole of atoms, you have that many atoms. If you have 1 mole of photons, you have that many photons. If you have 1 mole of eggs, you have that many eggs. There are about 7.5 billion people on the earth. What if you had to cook breakfast for everybody and you had 1 mole of eggs? How many eggs would each person get? Now, 7.5 billion people is a lot of people, but 7.5 billion is a terribly small number with respect to 1 mole. And the purpose of this question is to show that right there. Okay? So if I have 1 mole of eggs, that means that I have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd eggs. And I have 7.5 billion people. Million billion. The final units that would come out here is going to be eggs per person, eggs per people. Let's just say person. Punch out this number. You will see that each person on Earth would have a hearty breakfast. Thank you.